This week, how to get even more results from your one simple ab exercise. In week 1 of 90 Days 5 Simple Exercises, we layered on the one simple ab exercise to help fix neck humps, belly pooches, and improve your overall posture, decreasing wear and tear on all of your joints. Now, we are ready to layer in 3 simple techniques to help you progressively advance your one simple ab exercise. Yes, you don't have to add more exercises, we just have to advance the one that we have. And a gentle reminder, simple doesn't necessarily equate to easy. So although all 3 of today's techniques to advance your one simple ab exercise are simple, your body may find one or all not so easy. So please always listen to your body and progress when you are ready. This video is here, accessible to you at any time for a refresher on how to advance. You can come back to it again and again when you are ready. It's time-stamped into sections and makes it easy for you to find what you're looking for in the future. For those of you following along the 52 weeks of Simple Self-Care with Mo, as well as those of you who have recently jumped on board for the 90 Days of 5 Simple Exercises, today's advanced 3-minute ab exercise builds the 3 techniques into the routine. Advancing your abs, week 3 of 9 days, 5 simple exercises. I've linked it for you on the end screen. For anyone new here, welcome. My name is Mo. My goal is to help you achieve your health, wellness, and fitness goal, whatever that goal may be, by helping you leverage the way your body works and layer on the simplest self-care actions that will help you efficiently and effectively achieve your goal. This is your year for self-care. It's a great place to start. I hope you decide to join us weekly for Simplify Self-Care videos. So the list of today's 3 techniques to advance your one simple ab exercise includes changing your leg positioning relative to the floor and changing your pillow, varying the tempo and reps, intensifying the use of your lower abs during your E for E breathing. For the one simple ab exercise, we've got you positioned on your back using a pillow or rolled towels at the right height to help your lower back stay flat. So the first advancement technique is changing how low your heels come relative to the floor. As your abs strengthen, you will slowly be able to lower your legs in their 90-degree position, and your heels will come closer and closer to the floor, the whole time being able to keep your back flat. The lower you go, the more you're working your lower ab muscles. You're of course working other muscles too, because you're actively squeezing your prop, whether it's your blocks or bolster or the homemade bolster that I showed you how to make in Fix a Belly Pooch intro. Now it may be that some of you find it challenging to maintain the 90-degree angle while squeezing your prop even without moving. That's an exercise in itself. And if that is your starting point, great! Hold the position and you'll slowly advance to move an inch, then 2, and so on. Wherever you start is perfect for you. And since it's an ab muscle, it will get stronger as you consistently use it. That consistency is the key. Our muscles only keep their strength if we use them. So daily use of this one simple exercise will exponentially pay off for you regardless of your starting point. Now, once you're able to maintain your flat back while moving your legs in their 90-degree angle all the way down until your heels skim the floor, then it's time to advance. If you're using a head support, you're going to lower it. And please note that when you lower it, you will need to decrease the range that your legs lower. Please take the time to find your new challenge point when your head is lower and work from there. Slowly, you'll be able to lower your legs, bringing your heels closer to the floor again. You are challenging your abs incrementally. When your heels get close to the floor again, then it's time to repeat. Lower the head support you have, shorten up your range that you lower, find your new spot, and work all the way down again. You'll keep advancing this way until your abs can keep your back flat without the head support. Moving on to advancement technique number 2, vary the tempo and change the reps. The slower you go, the more work your muscles will engage in. When you are going slower, you may feel the need to reduce the reps. That's perfect too. Again, you do you. Lower the number of reps, take on the challenge of the slower tempo. In the 3 minutes, you're going to start with a nice slow 8 count when we're lowering. Then we're going to sandwich 3 down and 3 up tempo. And then we're going to move back to being slow and do a few more 8 count reps again. Our third advancement technique is to accentuate your lower ab contraction during the effort phase of your exercise. The video that teaches the one simple ab exercise emphasizes E for E, exhaling on the effort. This is key and very helpful when it comes to training your abs because it helps you stabilize your spine. You can actually move your legs further than you could before. Flattening your lower ab muscles is what is going to make that stability. So when you flatten them, you're pressing them down because you're laying down. Your belly button is trying to meet your spine. That's how you want to envision it. The lower abs are pressing. And as you keep working and practicing with your lower abs, you get better at locating it and then really using it. And guess what happens? The exercise starts to feel more difficult as the weeks go on, which can be confusing for some because they think they should be getting better at the exercise, and actually you are. It feels harder because you are getting better. It's a sign of progression. So celebrate that. Pressing your air out by flattening your abs, I just want to point out, is different than sucking air in. When you're in your position to take a moment and double check that you're actually flattening your lower abs, pressing your air out of your open mouth. That's different than sucking in to flatten your abs, right? That's an inhale. If you find that you are inhaling, just take a moment, release, open your mouth, and just press flattening your lower ab muscles, practicing it. It will press the air up and out of your mouth and you will hear a huffing sound. If you want help finding that muscle and how to use that technique specifically, visit Train This One Muscle. I share with you how to find and use this muscle in the sitting, and you can translate that into the lying down. Technique 3 is intensifying your muscles' ability to flatten by focusing on it. Instead of mindlessly going through the exercise, you want to take a moment, and each repetition, you have 8 counts to do it. You want to think, am I really using my lower abs to their full potential? Am I pressing my air out? And if so, you are offering your abs more of a workout for the same amount of time and the same number of reps. The 3-minute routine uses all of them. Use the video as a guide, pause when needed, and work up to the 3-minute ab workout. In a few weeks, we're going to advance again with our 4th technique. Now the animation I had made for you of the one simple ab exercise 3-minute routine.
Have your prop ready, place it between your knees and ankles, squeeze and hold, and you're going to slowly lower your legs as far as you can go, rotating from the hip. Exhaling, E for E. In your position, inhale through the nose, and we're going to slowly press our lower abs, and as we exhale, we will lower our legs, rotating from the hip as far as you can go, pulling your legs back up nice and slow, inhaling through the nose. We're going to reset, make sure that back is flat, and we will slowly press our air out, lowering our legs towards the ground. Now inhale, bringing them back up nice and slow, and lower. Beautiful count of 8. And up. Pressing the abs as we lower. Again, a slow, beautiful count of 8. Go as far as you can go without your back coming up. Then back up with the legs still at 90. Inhaling through the nose. Lower back tuck to release. Breathing normally. Back to 90 degrees. And we're going to do 3 and 3. Here we go. Down, 2, 3. And up. Down, up, beautiful, down, and up, 2, 3, lower down, and up, down, up, down, always using your lower abs, and up. Got this. Down and up. Nicely squeezing. Down Keep everything working. Up. And reset with the lower back tuck, breathing normally. We're gonna wrap it up with a few more reps that are nice and slow. Beautiful counts of 8. Here we go. Down, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 7. Get back up. And down. Nice and slow. Compressing and flattening those abs. Up. Inhaling through the nose. Back down. Flatten those abs so those abs get to be nice and flat. That's what'll make it work. There you go. Back up. Still squeezing everything. Inhaling through the nose. Down. You got this. This is beautiful. And up. Nice. We're gonna lower back tuck. Congratulations on another day of one simple ab exercise.